Hello students, today we will discuss more on this chapter. Yesterday we had read about this chapter, who had fallen in the bad habits. Obviously you know that we had studied a noble man had fallen into bad habits. Who helped him to rid of bad habits? Obviously you know that the hermit helped him to get rid of bad habits. Where did they go? Question is, where did they go? So they went to the garden, and there are so many trees in the garden. So these are all the questions we had discussed today, whatever we had learned yesterday in the chapter. Today we will read and understand more on this chapter. More about the bad habits or good habits, how we understand our bad habits or mistakes. So start the chapter.
Now or then, all of us makes mistakes. You know that all are human beings and human beings makes mistakes. If we realize our mistakes soon, we can easily find our way back to the right path. If we realize our mistakes at a right time, we can correct it at a very right time. However, we delay, we move further away from the right path. But if we delay our bad habits, if we delay our mistakes, it will be impossible. It will become very difficult to make it right. And you will be moved very far from right path. So, if you want a right path, you should realize your mistakes at a time. You should listen your inner voice. You should think with your own mind. It then takes more effort to come back to the right path. If you will realize later your mistake, then it will be difficult. It will be take more effort to come back to your right path. That is why we should examine ourselves daily, preferably at night before going to sleep. At every night before going to sleep, you should realize, you should recall your whole day. Whatever you had done in your whole day, you should recall it. Then you will realize, you can examine yourself what you had done. Either you had done right or wrong. You will be realize your mistake very soon. The voice within us is our conscience, with which tells us whether whatever we had done is right or wrong. If you will think, your inner voice will tell your conscience. Conscience means your intentions. Your intentions was good or bad. If you hurt someone intentionally, it will be not a mistake. But if you hurt non intentionally, it will be a mistake. So conscience means intentions. What your intentions was, to do a bad things or not to do a bad things. So you should listen your conscience every day, whatever you had done right or wrong. Our conscience, the reasoning power, is our good friend. Your conscience and reasoning power is your good friend. Conscience means your intentions. Your intentions are your good friend. If it is a good intentions, then you will be not get involved in your bad habits. Reasoning power means you should question to yourself, whatever you had done, is it right or is it wrong? That makes you a correct. If one listens to one's conscience and follows what it tells, then it will prevent one from doing any evil and picking up any bad habit. If you listens yourself, if you listens your conscience, then it always tell you you had done right or wrong, rather than any evil will pick your bad habits. Evil means your enemies, your the person who don't want to get out from your bad habits. So you should be aware of from that evil. So make your mistakes, make your mistakes right at a right time. So you should listen your conscience. A person who does not listen to his conscience will have to suffer. When we do anything wrong, our conscience keeps on pricking and making us unhappy. If you do anything wrong, your intentions, your conscience, your inner voice always tells you it is wrong, and then you will find out you will be unhappy with it. But when you will do right thing, you always feel happy. This the difference between obeying and ignoring the voice within us. So you should obey your inner voice. You should don't ignore your inner voice. You should listen your conscience. It will makes to correct your mistakes. It is important that you learn to listen to your conscience, and above all try to follow whatever your conscience tells you. It is very important to learn this. You should listen your conscience and you should follow your conscience. Whatever your intentions, whatever your inner voice tells you, you should listen on it. Each time you try to do something which is wrong, you must have realized you feel a terrible struggle within you. Sometimes you did something wrong and you realize you had did wrong, and then you feel a terrible struggle within you. Means you are struggling with yourself. You had did wrong, how to get rid of from it, and you have to um, correct your mistakes. It makes you hesitate. Then you hesitate to do anything right, anything do it next to that stage. It seems like a battlefield between right and wrong. Then it will feel you it is a very difficult, and it is a battlefield, what is right and what is wrong. Then this is your conscience telling you to do the correct thing. Then your inner voice, then your intentions will tell you what is the correct thing and what is not you should do, and what is the wrong for you. It helps you to conquer your pride, selfishness and greed. It will help you to conquer your pride, selfishness and greed. You all know about this. Once you listen to your inner voice, you are free from evil and you don't pick up bad habits. If you will listen your inner voice, then you are free from evil. Means you don't have evil in your inside, and no one will hit you, no one will make you addicted to a bad habits. Then you are able to pick your good habits or a bad habits, whatever it is. Okay, so that is why examine yourself daily. That is why I told you you should examine yourself daily at night before sleeping. You should recall your whole day, whatever you had done, it is right or it is wrong. What are your mistakes? Discover your faults at once. Listen to your conscience and do the right things, which might be tougher to do. It might be tougher to do before it before lessons your conscience. It was very difficult to do it. But when you are listening your conscience, it will be not tougher to do. A person who goes through life without checking his actions and motives is like a man who travels without troubling to find out if he is going in the right direction. A person who goes through his life without checking his actions, if you will not check your actions, whatever is right or wrong, if you will not check your motives, it is right or wrong, it will be very difficult to go through a right direction. So the moral of the story is, if you are in bad habits, you should realize it very soon. Otherwise, it will very difficult to come out with your bad habits, and it will be addiction of your bad habits. So this is all about on this chapter. In next video we will do question answer and exercises. Thank you class.